This is Mark Spurnauer at Laptop Magazine, and today we're here with the Samsung Stratosphere for Verizon Wireless. It's a QWERTY slider, which is something that you don't see on Verizon's LTE network, but this has 4G LTE data and a full keyboard. The layout itself is nicely spaced, but the keys are a little bit flat for our taste, not quite as good as some of the other devices we use, like the original Epic 4G for Sprint. But I mean, it is definitely better than typing on a touchscreen keyboard. I'll give you a walkthrough of the rest of the device. You have a Super AMOLED display here, 4 inches. On the back you have a 5 megapixel camera that's capable of 720p video, and up front you have a front-facing camera for video chats. You have a pretty standard software load on here from Samsung. It's definitely not as aggressive as some of the other things that we've seen. It's pretty easy to glide through all the menus. It's a 1 gigahertz processor. You don't have dual core power here, but we don't expect that for a $149 price. So overall, this looks to be a pretty good value play for Verizon at $149. Because you get 4G LTE data and pretty good specs for the money. So we'll have to see how well this device performs when we get it in for a full review. This is Mark Spurnauer at Laptop Magazine, and this is the Samsung Stratosphere for Verizon Wireless.